For this tutorial, I'm using the editing workspace. You can reset the workspace by double-clicking the editing name in the Workspaces panel and clicking Yes to confirm. When you're editing clips in a sequence, you'll often want to remove the start or end of a clip. This could be the slate at the beginning or the director saying cut at the end. Whatever the reason, it's usually the beginnings and ends of clips you'll want to remove. In this sequence, I have 3 clips that I'd like to trim to remove the ends. I can do that by clicking on the ends of the clips and dragging, and that's a regular trim. But there's a quicker way. I'm just going to undo by pressing Ctrl-Z here on Windows, that's Command-Z on macOS, and I'm going to position the playhead where I'd like this first clip to end. And now I'm going to press W. Next, let's position the playhead at the beginning of the clip, just where I'd like it to start, and I'm going to press Q. It's as simple as that. When pressing Q or W in this way, you're applying a ripple trim, so the other clips in the sequence will move to fill the gaps. There are a couple of variations on this theme using modifier keys, so I'm going to undo again with Ctrl-Z a couple of times here on Windows, that's Command-Z on macOS, to bring back the ends of the clip. Let's position the playhead again and try another way. If I hold Option on macOS or Control and Alt on Windows and then press the W key, a gap is left behind. This is like a regular trim, and it's useful if you want to insert another clip. I'll just undo again. Now look what happens when I hold the Shift key. I'll just press the W key again, and the clip that my playhead was over has been shortened, and the beginning of the next clip has been extended. This is a rolling trim, which adjusts the timing of the edit but not the duration of the sequence. Now, track targeting, sync locks, and clip selection all have an impact on this workflow, so make sure you have the right items selected before you use the shortcuts. And there's another way of trimming quickly on the timeline too, and this is using the J, K, and L keys that are normally used for playback. I'll just undo again so we have the end of that clip. And now I'm going to double-click on the end of the clip, and this is going to switch the program monitor to trimming mode. In this mode, those playback keys actually play the edit, and this is called dynamic trimming. I'll press the J key to play backwards a little bit, and then K, and you can see the gap has been added. I'm literally playing the end of the clip. The usual rules apply when trimming, so it's important to know if you're in the red overwrite trim mode or the yellow ripple trim mode. To illustrate this, I used the red mode. The beauty of dynamic trimming is that you can play the beginning or end of your clip, and when the moment comes for the edit, press K and you're done. The trim has been applied. The up and down arrows will jump your playhead between the edits for any tracks that are selected in the track headers. That's these buttons right here. Once an edit is selected, you can even use the keyboard to set which side of the edit you'll trim. The combination of the Q and W keyboard shortcuts and dynamic trimming can dramatically speed up fine-tuning your edit in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.